You pull and I pull. Ready?
It's turning gold.
Whoa! Super stretchy. These are one.
Lisa.
Lisa?
Hey guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button. If you're watching YouTube Kids, make sure you click the red gem to subscribe.
Toys.
Marcello, you better win for me. Tiffany, you better win for me. All right, we're going to try our best, okay? On your mark. Get set, go! Oh, and it looks like Marcello won already because I got out of the track. Let's go drive back to the track. All right, good work, Marcello. Since you won for me, you can pick a toy surprise. You could pick these Crayola globbles. You can stick them, squish them, or stretch them. They're so sticky, but they're not messy. By Crayola. You can open up Play Foam Pals. Educational Insights Play Foam Pals. Inside is 1 pal. Or you can open up the Loud House figures. It's a 4-pack featuring Lisa, Lincoln, Lenny, and Clyde. Or you can open up this amazing putty by MindWare that smells like peanut butter and jelly. Or you can open up this Haba Kula Brew car. It's a really cool race car. What do you want to do, Marcello? What would you like to do, huh? What would you like to pick?
Okay, I just want to pick 2 things so bad because I want to pick the Loud House and the Play Foam Pal.
Guess what, buddy? You can only open up 1 toy surprise, all right? Pick one.
Loud House.
The Loud House, okay. Let's see this. Oh, what's inside? Did you know there's another 4-pack too? You can get Lucy, Luna, Lincoln, and Lori. Who's that one?
Lincoln.
Oh, Lincoln Loud? Oh, poor Lincoln. He's like the only boy in that whole Loud House.
Yeah, he's the only kid for a boy in the Loud House.
All right. What's the next one?
Lisa.
Lisa? Oh my gosh, does she stand up?
Only on tables.
Uh-oh, let's see if we can put her on the track. I think she's a little heavy. There we go. She's on the track. Is she like super smart? Is that why she looks like a scientist?
Yeah, she is a scientist.
Oh, wow. Who's the next one?
Oh, can I just tell you something about Lisa?
Yeah.
Well, she is a scientist, but the toy that they made, this is the only Lisa that you can get in the 4-packs.
You're right.
And the 4-packs are the only Loud House toys in 4-packs.
You're right.
So that's the only Lisa that you can get. If you're looking for the regular Lisa, you can't get her.
Huh. So you can't get her without the scientist outfit on?
Yep.
Oh, wow. Very interesting, Marcello. Who's the next one that's in the pack?
Lenny. Oh, wait, no. It's Lenny.
Lenny.
No, it's Lucy. No, it's not.
It's Lenny.
Oh, it's Lenny. Yeah, it's Lenny.
That's Lenny?
Yeah.
She's super pretty. Is she the older one? She looks like a teenager.
Oh, well, Lenny and Lucy, well, those two, they are the same height and they're the same number. So this is so both of them are stylish. They like new hairdos and like new shirts.
Are they twins? Lenny and Lucy?
Yeah.
Oh, they are. Okay.
I think they're twins.
All right. So who's the next one?
There's just one more. Clyde.
Oh, he just fell. Let's see if we could put him behind Lisa. Who's that?
That's
Clyde. So who is this one?
Clyde.
And what does Clyde do? Is that Lincoln's friend?
Yeah.
Are they best pals?
Yeah.
That is Lincoln's friend. Wow, he's so cool, man. Oh my God! You knocked them down! Poor Clyde! Oh, and poor Lisa. Oh, he likes it?
Yeah, he thinks it was fun.
I think Lincoln's laughing at him like, ha ha ha! Ha 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 ha! Whoa! You went off the track! You knocked me down! How could you do this to me? Oh no! He walked out.
Clark is still laughing.
Whoa!
Whoa! It jumped all the way over
that
here.
That was awesome. Do it again. Do it again. Now you can go in reverse. Push it the other way. And you can bring him back. There you go. Whoa, now he's going back in time.
He's going back in the future.
That's right. Wow, you're good. You know Back to the Future? Let me get this for you. Hold on. Let me just put that in my mouth. And I'll pick it up.
I can do it.
I got it. You put it back on the track.
I got it.
Okay, wait a minute. I'm on the floor. What are you doing? Whoa. All right, let's continue the game here, okay? Whoa.
We can have.
That was not nice.
Let's have.
So these are cool toy surprises that you got. Let me see, Clyde. Let's see them all together. They're not posable. They're just regular PVC figures, but we're so happy to finally see Loud House toys. Aren't you super excited?
Yeah.
I love them. And these are the other ones that you can collect. I want to get Lucy. I found them on Amazon, and I actually paid $17.99. I don't think these are $17.99 though.
I want this one because she's the rock star one.
I know you like that episode. Oh, I think Lori and Lenny are twins. They look alike.
Yeah, but let's do 2 more rounds.
All right. Oh, we only have to go around once. Yes. The rules are simple. You must go around the track 1 time. Once the first car reaches me, you get the toy surprise. Ready, steady, go. That's right, race car Ryan. The first one to get to you wins a toy surprise. There are so many toy surprises left. I wonder who will win. Playing for Ralph is Tiffany with the green car, and playing for Mr. Incredible is Marcello in the orange car. Let's get started. On your mark. Get set, go! Oh, my car is not working. I'm gonna have to recharge this one. Oh, wait a minute. Because it was uncharged. Congratulations, Marcello, for winning. For good sportsmanship, I am letting you open up 2 surprises, Marcello. What would you like to pick? What's left is the Karubu car, Playfoam Pals, and Crayola Globbles, and MindWare's Putty Sense. And you knocked me down. That was not cool. Okay, what is it? Marcello, what would you like to pick?
Playfoam Pals.
Ooh, and what's the next toy surprise?
And the car.
And the car. Nice choices. Go ahead. Open up your toy surprise. Congratulations on your win, and thank you for being a good sport.
You're welcome. Action when you're ready.
Action.
Here we go. Dig. Dig. Oh, this is not the one. Guys, if you haven't seen our sweet video, they send it us one videos, and we opened up it and we got the golden one. And it looks to me that we got a duplicate. We got a duplicate. We got the penguin. We can give this away in our giveaway. But for now, let's play with it. I'm thinking, and now we cover it up, and let's pretend I'm just opening it again, and it's out of the plastic, and it's the birds. Okay, let's open up our next prize. We got this at Sweet too. Let's open it.
That's a really cool car.
Yeah.
Here.
Let's see if we can race on the track.
Ooh, that's a good idea. Let's put your car down. And let's see if we can push it.
Oh, it's a pullback car.
Oh, wow, no way. Get out of here.
What?
Wow, that's awesome.
Let's see how hard one is for. Let's see it on here. That's really cool. One more round.
This is a push and go car. So you just push and it goes. Whoa, it even has 4-wheel drive. Good work and being a good sport too. Your turn, Mr. Incredible. The next round will win 2 toy surprises. Do you agree with me, Mr. Allosaurus?
I agree. Mr. Incredible, it's your turn.
4 times! Oh my gosh, can we do it? Playing for me will be Tiffany, and playing for Mr. Wreck-It Ralph will be Marcello. May the best Disney character win. I'm Disney Pixar. Well, yeah, but we're both Disney characters. Yeah, I guess, but alright, whatever. Good luck. On your mark, get set, go! Go! What? Oh!
Let's put me back here where I was.
Whoa! You pushed me again? This is crazy! Why isn't that car working? This is nuts! I'm gonna wreck it! I can't take it anymore! Ah! Work! Work!
I won actually because I passed.
Well, Marcello has won, but we do not condone wrecking toys here. Let's open up the last 2 toy surprises. We have Crayola Globbles and MindWare Putty Scents. Which one would you like to open up first?
This one!
Open it up. Do with them.
You can put water on.
Squeeze them, and then you wash with soap and water to bring the sticky back. Oh, that's really cool.
Oh.
I wonder if you could bounce them too.
So it's sticky?
Yeah, they're very sticky.
Oh my god.
Can I feel one? What color is this one? Ooh, it's super sticky.
Yellow.
Ooh, this is cool. Are they stretchy? Let's see. Can you pull it? Can you pull mine?
Alright. They're like slime when you pull them.
Whoa, super stretchy. These are awesome.
Yeah. These are super sticky.
So what colors did you get?
I got yellow, pink. These are all ones that were out. They stick together. And they're super hard to get in the box. So you need to pull really hard. This is like green slime. So right now we can play with them until the stick goes away.
Wow, it's like you made like a molecule.
Oh, yeah. Oh, now it's bigger because look. Whoa, whoa, big bubble. So sticky.
Can you stretch them? Can you stretch
Yeah.
them? Whoa! That's awesome. Wow, that looks like a snowman.
And now we
Colorful snowman.
look what we can do. Squish this part, that part.
It's like a squishy sandwich.
Yeah, now it's back to Mickey.
Very cool.
They're so sticky. I want us to stick here.
Oh, that's a good idea. Let's open up the putty. This is by MindWare, and this is a peanut butter and jelly flavor. What are you doing? Sticking it?
I want to press it to see with this on, and when it moves the dice, and it did.
That's
It's fine.
awesome.
So now I move it to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good.
And then I press, and then I get this. Now let's open up this.
You gotta mix them together. Okay, now you gotta smoosh them together. That's the peanut butter, and this is the jelly.
Is this jelly?
Yes. How does it smell?
It smells good.
Now you gotta squish them together.
Oh my god, it's like putty.
It is putty.
Oh my god. I just teared it apart. My cousins have this type of putty, but not jelly of these ones. Oh my god, it's so stretchy and squishy. This is so squishy. It's so squishy and stretchy. Let me see. Oh man, this is what all putties do. When you pull it really, really high, it shrinks to this part. Super cool. You tried, Mom.
You hear the crackles? That's
Yeah.
my favorite.
Wait, look. It's like turning.
Here,
it's
you pull and I pull. Ready?
It's turning gold.
Whoa!
Okay, now it's
It looks
weird.
like caramel.
It looks like gold with silver, purple. I'm gonna go, well, do you feel this part of the sticky thing? It's like not much stickiness.
Whoa!
Well, oh my God!
Well, you got some cool toy surprises. Ah!
I'm trying to jump rope it.
Well, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to Tubey Toys. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like these race car toy surprise videos, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys.
And have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah.